I put alcohol on the toilet paper, and I was pleasantly surprised with the results. To start with our advice today, you will need a roll of toilet paper. The first thing we will do is fold it in a certain way to facilitate the extraction of the inner roll. Once this is done, we will remove the cardboard roll and we will be left with only the paper. To begin with our advice today, it is essential to remove the cardboard roll to fully utilize the toilet paper. Next, we will take a container and pour 150 milliliters of alcohol into it. Alcohol is an essential component to eliminate dirt from all surfaces you want to clean. In addition to alcohol, we will add a tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate. If you decide to use this mixture in the kitchen, you will be surprised how effective it is at eliminating grease and dirt from the stove and other appliances. We will mix well until the sodium bicarbonate has completely dissolved in the alcohol. To give it an additional touch of freshness and aroma, we will add a cap of fabric softener to the mixture. You can choose the softener of your choice, as this will give a pleasant smell to all surfaces you clean with this mixture. Once all the ingredients are mixed, ensuring they are fully dissolved, we will pour the mixture into a container with a lid. This will help to preserve the aroma and effectiveness of the cleaning solution for longer. Now, the next step is to place the toilet paper in a flower pot or a similar-sized container to the roll. To ensure the aroma and effectiveness of our solution are preserved, it's best to use a container with a lid. This also makes storage more practical. We will pour the alcohol gradually over the toilet paper, allowing it to absorb it completely. If you prefer, you can let the toilet paper rest for at least an hour to ensure it fully absorbs the alcohol mixture. Before finishing, let me know where you are so I can send you a virtual hug. Today, the hug goes to Rose from Australia. I am very happy that you are enjoying our toilet paper tip. To use this solution, simply take the toilet paper that has been resting for at least an hour and apply it directly on the surfaces you want to clean. You will see how dirt disappears easily and how the environment is filled with a pleasant aroma from the cleaning. If you've tried this, leave a house emoji so we know you've enjoyed our cleaning tips and tricks. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.